Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Walmart to do our Ibotta haul. I was gonna do Dollar General today, but there is a mid-week moneymaker bonus that I have on my account that I wanna make sure I can reach before it expires. I did a ton of Ibotta rebates, including Love, Beauty, and Planet yesterday at Walgreens. So I did update the printable breakdown for that, including that $2 Love, Beauty, Planet rebate as well. That made my entire haul yesterday completely free and a small moneymaker. Ignore all of these crazy boxes. I feel so claustrophobic in here. Giving them to my mom later today. So I have like so many boxes in here. It's like not even funny. So anyway, we are going to be completing our midweek moneymaker bonus. Also tracking towards our rack in the cash bonus. Let me know in the comments below what bonus you have on your account. If yours is the $10 for 30 rebates as well, or if you have a different version. We have a lot of freebies, of course, like usual here at Walmart today. First stop is always going to be the clearance section for the makeup. See if I can snag any more good clearance items for Rimmel, because we do have Ibotta cashback rebates as well. And if you're new here, of course, take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I do post new deals or videos, you guys will be notified. I also posted a video this morning on top cash back. So website you guys can use. I know a lot of you like to do some online deals and you can shop right through that website. Walgreens is one of the ones available, Amazon, eBay, you name it. So you can knock out some of your Christmas shopping early using that online website. You'll get cash back. And if you use my link, which is in the description box, it's in the description box of that video as well, you will get an additional $10 cash back when you spend $25 for first-time users. So make sure you take advantage of that. Start knocking out your Christmas shopping. That way you're not waiting till last minute and you can use all of that cash back to buy yourself something nice as well. So let's go inside Walmart and start taking advantage of these amazing deals and freebies this week. Okay, so first up, like usual, is the clearance rack for the makeup products. And look what I found. So this is actually like a glitter eyeliner or something, which I thought is pretty cool. And it's just $1.50 now on clearance. So we do have $1 off one coupon still from previous inserts. We're gonna pay 50 cents out of pocket. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1.40 back, making this guy completely free and like a 50-cent moneymaker. Next deal we're gonna grab is on the Nivea lotion. So it has to be this cocoa butter one. They only have one. I was gonna grab two of these, but this is the last they have available and they're $5.12 each. Then we have a $2 coupon still valid from the 9/27 Smart Source insert. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $2 back, making a large lotion just $1.12. Not a bad deal. Now we have a great deal on Swagbucks to get some L'Oreal Elvive. We don't have any coupons, unfortunately, but what we're gonna do is grab one of these Dream Lengths. I'm gonna grab the conditioner because that's all they have. It's $3.97. Then we have to grab one of these Total Repair 5. So I'm gonna grab a shampoo. My store is on rollback for $3.42. Buying one of each, I believe, is what is needed for this rebate for 600 Swagbucks back, or $6. I've read the fine print a couple times and I think just buying one of each will get that for us. So I'll let you know at the end when I submit it if I have any issues. Final cost is gonna be around 60 cents each. The next easy freebie you guys can grab is this Roto eye drops. They are $4.98 at my Walmart. I posted this on my Instagram and at my website. Make sure you print the coupon. We have a $3 off one printable coupon. So we'll pay $1.98 out of pocket for this. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $2 back, making this an easy freebie. So this deal is on Fetch Rewards. We're gonna grab one of these Essentials Mist. The starter kit, it is $9.97. we have this $3 off one coupon we got in our 10 for Smart Source. Then we're gonna submit to Fetch Rewards for 5,000 points back, which equals $5, making our final cost just $2.97, so not a bad deal. If you're new to Fetch Rewards, here is my code, J24VT. Scan your first receipt and you'll get an additional 2,750 points. But make sure you do so within 7 days of using that code so that offer does not expire. Now we're gonna pick up some Bella dog food. So I'm restocking my box to be able to go deliver and donate again to the local pet shelter. So the first thing we're gonna grab is a 12 pack right here for $7.27. Printable as well. Linked in the printable breakdown is a $4 off one coupon. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making our final cost $1.77 for 12 of them, or about 14 cents each. So definitely a great deal. A separate rebate we're going to do is going to be on these small Bella single trays. So they're 62 cents each. We're going to go ahead and grab 4 of them. Another printable coupon, $1.50 off of 4. Then we're also going to submit this to Ibotta for 50 cents back when you buy 4 of them, which is going to make our final cost 68 cents for all 4, or about 17 cents each. Definitely also a great deal. So if you want to do both like I am, of course you can. That'll further help you track towards your bonuses. Now we're gonna get to pick up some new diapers. The new Leaf are the newest versions of the pull-ups. So I'm gonna grab this 2T to 3T right here. They are $8.97. In our 10 for Smart Source, we got a $3 off one coupon so we can give them a try. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta as well for $3 back, giving us $6 in total savings. Final cost is just $2.97. Definitely an easy deal. Check your Fetch Rewards as well, see if you have any bonuses. I have a lot of Huggies bonuses, but not on this particular version, but accounts do vary, so you may have something that I don't. Now we have a freebie with Ibotta. So you can grab one of these Oikos 25 grams of protein. They're the pro drinks. They're in the section with the other drinkable yogurts. They're $1.84 if you buy this version. Then you're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $1.84 back, making that completely free, which is awesome. Another easy freebie, which is gonna wind up being a little money maker, is on these small probiotic green tea. It's a 5-bag of tea. They're $1.24 each. You're gonna grab 2 of these, submit to Ibotta, and I had both of these rebates pull up. $2.49 when you buy 2, and 10 cents for any probiotic drink, making these completely free and like a 12-cent moneymaker. Now we're gonna grab some Suave Professionals for natural hair. We're gonna grab this curl conditioner here at $4.98. In our 10 for Retail Me Not, we got a $2 off one coupon. We'll pay $2.98, submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making your final cost $1.98. And always look for hang tags. So these right here are $2 off when you buy 2, priced at $2.50 per item and above. So there's tons of hang tags here, so you guys can always make sure that you're grabbing that for any other deals that you're needing for the day. Now we're gonna do a Shopkick bundle. We are gonna grab one of these Suave. It has to be the almond and shea butter Suave Professionals. So we're gonna grab one of these for our Shopkick bundle. We have this $1 off one coupon we got in our 10 for inserts that we're gonna use. Now we have to go pick up a body wash to complete the bundle. The other item we need to grab is this Ocean Breeze body wash for $1.54. Then we're gonna submit to Shopkick for 650 kicks back. Multiply that by 0.004 and you will get $2.60 back. So for these 2 items, oh, come back here, little dude. There we go. For these 2 items right here, after that $1 off coupon and we get back our Shopkicks, Final cost is gonna be about 90 cents for both of them. So not a bad deal for some shampoo and some body wash. Now we're gonna grab some Nivea body wash. So I'm gonna grab the blue ones right here. They're $3.76 each. We have this $3 off 2 coupon we got in our 927 Smart Source insert. Then we're gonna submit it to Ibotta for $1 back each, giving us back $2. Our final cost on these is gonna be $2.52 for both, or about $1.26 each. Now we have quite a few feminine care product deals we're gonna do. First one is these ultra thin pads. They're $4.84. Previously, we had $2 off 1 printable coupons. So if they're still available, I will have them linked in the printable breakdown listed in the description box below the video. So we're gonna pay $2.84, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, making this guy just 84 cents. Now we're gonna pick up some of these View by Kotex Click. They are $6.97 at my store. And we have this $1 off 1 coupon that we got in our 10/11 Smart Source coming up. So I got my coupons a little early. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $2 back, and Shopkick for 360 kicks, which is about $1.44, making this not a bad deal for 32 tampons. The next deal is on these U by Kotex tampon, or not tampons, they're liners. They're $2.97 at my store. Then we have a separate $1 off 1 coupon from the same 10/11 Smart Source. Then we're gonna submit this guy to Ibotta for $2 back as well, making this one completely free. Next deal is on Werther's Caramel. So I grabbed one of the hard and one of the soft caramels. They're $2.18 each. We still have this $1 off 2 coupon that's valid. Came from the 913 Smart Source insert. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back each. And Swagbucks, when you buy 2, you'll get 125 Swagbucks, or $1.25 back, making our final cost completely free and a 39-cent moneymaker. A good candy deal if you like Baby Ruth. We're gonna grab 3 of these. They're 88 cents each. In our 10/4 Smart Source, we got this buy 2, get 1 free. Submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back each as well, making our final cost $1.01 for 3 of them, or about 33 cents each. So I'm breaking it up into transactions. All of my food is gonna be on a separate transaction, but after we did the coupons, we are gonna go ahead and pay. I just scan the coupons normal right here, like you're scanning any other items. Then when you're done paying, you're gonna put them right here where it says coupons in. That'll light up for you. So let's cash out, do our other transaction, and see what we get back from all of our rebate apps. So we're back in from Walmart. The only 2 issues I had was with the U by Kotex coupons for some reason. They wouldn't scan for either of them, so she had to come by and just manually enter those in for me. But I did 2 separate transactions, one for my food stuff and one for everything else. We did a total of like 16 rebates today, which is amazing, which means I completed my mid-week moneymaker bonus, giving me an extra $1 back. So I'll go over my receipts with you guys real quick. Nothing really exciting to show. All the coupons worked for what they were supposed to work for. So I paid $54.45 plus taxes for this one out of pocket. I didn't use pay with Ibotta. I know a lot of you mentioned that to me a lot. I just don't use that. I don't know why, really, not really anything crazy. I just don't. And I submitted that receipt, got back $22.09. Then the $1 back from the midweek moneymaker bonus. For the food items, I got the Baby Ruth, that freebie for the Oikos, and the Werther's. The coupons came off. It took off 88 cents, took off $1, paid $6.96 plus taxes out of pocket. Submitted to Ibotta, got back $5.09, which is awesome. Then I submitted my receipts to Swagbucks, of course. Shopkick always takes about 48 hours for them to give you your kicks back. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, got back the bonus points for that Air Wick starter kit, which is amazing. Final cost today, we spent or we had about $92 worth of products. After all of the rebates, all the cash back, our final cost today was about $18 or 64 cents per item. And we got some diapers. So we got diapers today for 64 cents, which is why I love using cashback apps and rebate apps like Ibotta. It is so amazing. Still tracking towards that rack in the cash bonus, which will give me another $10 back. So hopefully I will finish that next week. Let me know what your favorite deal is going on at Walmart or wherever you're using Ibotta. If you missed my Ibotta haul with all the Walgreens deals yesterday in my Walgreens haul video, definitely check it out. I think I did 5 or 6 Ibotta rebates yesterday at Walgreens as well. With all of those % off boosters, it was an amazing, amazing free day yesterday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button for me, and I will see you next time.